And good afternoon, this is Dr. Leven speaking to you from Vila Moura in Portugal, and we're going to talk about a program called PerfectTron. PerfectTron is a new smart contract on the Tron blockchain. Tron is an equivalent to Ethereum, but as probably many of you know, the smart contracts running on Ethereum have been hit with insanely high what they call gas fees, the transfer fees. Don't be blown away with technical mumbo jumbo here. All it means, it's expensive to run the programs, and it's really slowed down also the transfers. Tron does it cheap, so cheap, 100 times cheaper than Ethereum, and fast. So we've seen some good Tron programs, but we've seen some crazy ones. I'm looking for the ones that become truly smart contracts in terms of smarter coding. And this is a particular program that I'm gonna quickly play the video, because I think you will quickly get an overview of what's going on here. Here we go.
Long wait is over. PerfectTron is here. A perfect system for everyone. Where earning TRX will never be the same again, PerfectTron is a decentralized smart contract platform. Installed in the blockchain technology. That gives maximum security and sustainability. Inspired by daily ROI platforms, PerfectTron is made into perfection. A never-ending income for everyone. Many programs stall because of lack of growth of investor and massive withdrawal from its user.
See, right there, I'm stopping the video for a moment. A lot of the great concepts came out, but unfortunately, if there is a massive withdrawal, what happens if everybody withdraws their money out of a bank? Bank goes belly up, don't they? So that you need to listen to what's been put in place here to prevent that from happening. Not only that, to make sure that there is a healthy, constant add-on investing coming both by new people coming into the program as well as existing people reinvesting. So let me continue to play the video.
Which caused the program to drain its contract balances. We have the solution for you. That is why PerfectTron is born. No need to jump from another program to another. PerfectTron will be your home forever. How PerfectTron works. Step 1, you will start earning by investing 100.
Important part, you can actually tiptoe into this program for 100 TRX. 100 Tron is about $2 and, hold on, I thought I had it here. 100 Tron in TRX in US dollars is, voila, $2.39. So very inexpensive to go test out the program, right?
TRX. Your investment will grow up to 30% daily, with a maximum of 200% of invested amount. Growth can be seen every second. You can withdraw interest anytime. With 20.
So when you earn 200%, you have doubled your money, because 100% is your money back and the other 100% is net profit. So you can actually do that in 7 days. And then now is a little bit of information on the referrals. Don't worry if you're not a promoter. Those of you who are promoters, you're obviously going to want to listen to this very carefully.
20% multi-level referral commissions across 7 levels. A very lucrative marketing. If you are a leader of a big team, earning 10,000 TRX a day is possible. Special features making the program sustainable. In every withdrawal there will be an auto reinvest. A 70% from the.
This very important part, with every withdrawal, 70% from the amount that you withdraw will be auto reinvested. Those of you who know the power of compounding, Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. And he added, the one who understands it will earn it, the one who doesn't understand it will pay it. The banks have understood compound interest for as long as banks have been banks. Now it's time for us to understand and use this power, and we're doing this by reinvesting 70% with every withdrawal. And that helps to push the system forward for everybody.
Withdrawal amount will be auto reinvest by the system. A sponsor will get 1.5% of withdrawal amount of his direct. In every withdrawal out, 7 level sponsor will earn from it. The 30% of withdrawal amount will go directly to user's wallet.
So 30%, let's say you have 100 Tron to withdraw, 70 Tron will go to reinvest, 30 Tron will be yours, okay?
Advantages. Withdrawal will not drain contract balance anymore. A withdrawal will be now an advantage for both the system and the user. For the user, a reinvestment will make his daily ROI bigger. A withdrawal for the system is like adding new investors to the system. The longer you stay in the system, the more you earn. Everybody wants that. A reinvested amount from withdrawal will have a 10% daily ROI up to 200% of reinvested amount. Compounding your earnings will give you 10% ROI up to 200% maximum growth of the invested amount. Wow! This is the program that everyone is looking for. A very lucrative and sustainable system for everyone. Come and join us now. Visit our website, www.perfecttron.com.
So, recap, incredible solution for sustainability by enforcing a compounding of 70%. 30% you get to withdraw and 70% is reinvested. Now, there is a second video. This is on their website, so you can watch these videos. I would suggest watch them a number of times because it is this is important. You got to. I've been telling everyone that I've shared this with already. This program is recent. Nobody in the world really knows that this program exists. So here you've got to watch this video. Let's watch it together.
PerfectTron Strategy. After joining the program, you must understand how it works. Please follow the system, and we guarantee long-term income with PerfectTron, as AI is installed in the platform. This is what you need to do when joining PerfectTron. On day one, you invest any amount. The next thing to do is to wait for 7 days, or wait for your investment to reach the 200%.
So, what is important is that the in the strategy they're suggesting is don't withdraw until you've reached your 200%. So don't be, I made the mistake in wanting to show a withdrawal, and yeah, the withdrawal is instantaneously paid. Those of you who've seen that video know that yes, it works perfectly. But when you do, see, otherwise you make 30% per day. 7 days, you reach 210%. So to reach your 200% in 7 days, you've done it. But if you withdraw in those 7 days, this drops to anywhere from 1 to 10%. So it takes much longer to achieve the same deal. So don't withdraw for 7 days. Wait till your investment has reached 200%. Okay?
This is the time to touch your account and withdraw. Do not
On
withdraw
day
anything
7.
before 7 days or 200% growth. If you withdraw before 7 days, the AI will assign ROI percentage to your account from 1% to 10% automatically. Just follow the system to withdraw on the 7th day. If you have withdrawn on the 7th day, 30% of your withdrawn amount will go to your wallet. 70% is reinvested to the system. Then next move is to wait for 20 days again. During this time, do not withdraw.
Why 20 days? Because you then, on your reinvested amount, you earn 10% per day. 10% to reach 200%, again double your money. 10 times 20 days, 10%, 20 days is 200%. So first 7 days, then 20 days, and then again 20 days, and then again 20 days. That's how to do it.
Withdraw any amount. Failure to do so will make your daily ROI lesser. After 20 days, then you can withdraw again. Recap, and you should follow this. Day 1, invest. Day 2 to 7, do not withdraw. Day 7, withdraw. Day 8 to 27, do not withdraw. Day 27, withdraw. Day 28 to 47, do not withdraw. Day 47, withdraw. And so on. By following this strategy, we will be sure you will enjoy PerfectTron income. Please share this strategy to make everyone happy.
So make sure you follow this strategy. Now in my group, my Telegram group, and please join. I'll make sure the link is their t.me for Telegram, Fortune_elite, Fortune_elite, capital F, Fortune_capital elite. You want to join there because that is where I help to point out, and we're pulling the resources from wherever we can have them. I have a great connection with the owner of the program. As a matter of fact, I've made a suggestion today. By tomorrow, it'll already be implemented. So here, this gentleman is giving a roadmap. He says the maximum ROI on your investment at any given point is 200%. That means you double your money. Every investment you make, be it from an invest of new funds or the reinvest, you want to grow it to the maximum limit of 200%. A withdrawal made before, very important, a withdrawal made before reaching the 200% will lower your daily ROI from 30% to as low as 1 to 10% per day. An illustration of, here he gives an example of 1,000 Tron. So on day one, your 1,000 Tron will earn 300 Tron, 30%. Fantastic. By the way, in the bank, it takes 60 years to achieve that. Day 2, you do the same, but you do not withdraw. Day 3, you earn now 900, you don't withdraw. Day 4, you earn another 300, 1,200, you don't withdraw. Day 5, you don't withdraw. Day 6, you don't withdraw. You've already got 1,800. Oh, it's so tempting to push the withdraw button, but please don't. Because if you do, you drop your earnings from 30% down to 1 to 10%. You don't want to do that. But on day 7, it's almost like God who created the world and then took a break. On day 7, you get to withdraw. As a matter of fact, by that time, there will be 2,000 TRX. You can now withdraw, and you're going to get instantaneously 600 of that in cash, in your hands, in your wallet. 1,400 is still your money, but now gets reinvested. Now you're going to be earning 10%. On reinvestments, you earn 10%. So on day 8, you start to calculate once again. On the 1,400, you're going to make 140 TRX, 280, 420, 500, 700, 840, 980, day 14. So you go all the way to day 27 without withdrawing. Can you see how nobody gets to drain the program? And if they do, they get punished. That's good. That's the way it ought to be. On day 27, your reinvest's growth has reached 200%. And you can do a withdrawal. Out of the 2,800, 840 enters your wallet. Fresh cash in your hand. You can do with it whatever you want to. 1,680 you reinvest. And once again, you're going to do the same cycle again. So this is the kind of stuff that we go through. I have this verified here with the owner. He says, yes, that is correct. And I immediately made the suggestion of, can we somehow graphically make it so that that is visual, that we get, that we're being told. He says, I got your point, we'll add it tomorrow. Is that fantastic or what? These are the kind of programs that we want to work with, and that I'm helping to make these programs to be number ones in the world. So anyways, make sure that you join the Telegram group, and together we win. And I can't wait to hear your testimonials. Thank you very much for letting me share this video with you.